In today's video, I am going to teach you add emails to Gmail. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you will know how to connect another email account to Gmail so you can check messages in one place. Make sure you are on a computer, since these settings are easiest to access from the desktop version of Gmail. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into your Gmail account if you are not already signed in. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, find and click See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page, where Gmail keeps the options for managing accounts and mail behavior. Across the top of the settings page, click the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This section is where you can connect other email addresses, set up sending options, and manage linked accounts. Take a moment to scan the page until you find the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. In that section, click Add a Mail Account. A small window or pop-up will appear to guide you through the connection process. In the field provided, enter the email address you want to add. For privacy, I will not read any specific address out loud, but you will type the full address exactly as it is. Then click Next. On the next screen, select the option that says Link Account with Gmailify and click Next again. Gmailify is designed to connect certain providers to Gmail and can help bring the account into Gmail with a more integrated experience. After you continue, you may be redirected to the sign-in page for the email provider you are linking, such as a Microsoft account sign-in for Hotmail or Outlook. When the sign-in prompt appears, carefully sign into that account. Then, when you see a permission screen, click Yes or Allow to grant Gmail permission to access the account. This permission is required so Gmail can check mail from that account and display it in your Gmail inbox. After you approve access, follow any remaining on-screen prompts until the connection completes, and then return to Gmail to confirm the account appears under Check Mail from Other Accounts. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.